Practice reading sentences for grade 2. Let's read. Follow this red pointer. The girl reads a book. Let's repeat. The girl reads a book. Now it's your turn to read. Follow this red pointer. Good job. The boy rides his bike. Let's repeat. The boy rides his bike. It's your turn. That's great. The cat sleeps on the couch. The cat sleeps on the couch. It's your turn. The dog runs in the park. The dog runs in the park. Your turn. Good job. The boy draws a picture. The boy draws a picture. Your turn. Good job. The girl waters the plants. The girl waters the plants. That's great. The bird sits on a branch. The bird sits on a branch. It's your turn. Good job. The kids play at the beach. The kids play at the beach. Your turn. The boy eats his lunch. The boy eats his lunch. Your turn. Good job. The girl feeds the fish. The girl feeds the fish. Your turn. Good job.